So I've already done the driver's side of my car. Passenger side started to do the same thing. This little trim piece was stuck up like that. Basically it peeled back. There's a technical service bulletin that's been out for a long time. My car definitely doesn't qualify. It's way past mileage and age. Anyway, to fix this, what the dealer does is buys a new rubber piece. There is a incision from the factory right there, and they just replace this one piece of rubber. They do so by peeling it back, and underneath there is an adhesive, which is just double-sided 3M tape that holds the rubber piece down to the corner. What I've done is scraped all of the adhesive off of the rubber piece and this piece of plastic here using razor blades that I got at the dollar store. Once all the adhesive is removed, you remove it using this stuff. It's corrosive to plastic, so once you get all of the 3M tape and adhesive off, neutralize it using alcohol. Thoroughly clean the surface, scrape it up, get it a little bit roughed up because you want the 3M tape to adhere as well as possible. I'm even going to use some leftover adhesion promoter I have from another project. You can get adhesion promoter at like Advanced Auto, AutoZone, Pep Boys, O'Reilly's. Any of those places will have it in the car painting section. You can get it in a spray form, a liquid form, whatever. You can even get Surface Prep, a different type of cleaner that'll really help your double-sided tape. I use Gorilla. There's also 3M. It doesn't really matter as long as you buy one. It's got a name brand on it. It'll hold pretty well. Just don't, the cheap stuff that comes with parts you order from China will hold for a while, but it will let go ultimately. Anyway, heating the surface up, I found makes it adhere a little bit better. And one trick I learned on the driver's side, because I had to redo it initially after I'd done it initially, is the rubber piece at the end, there's like a flap that goes over the edge, and that edge piece down in there, the reason it lifts back, if you look at the rubber, it's got weathered pretty well. I mean, my car's 6 years old at this point, it has 140,000 hard driven miles. So I cut the flap that goes over the edge off. Basically, when I lay the 3M tape, I just want the thing to lay flat, and I don't really care about it covering the corner there because water still gets in there regardless. If anything, it drains a little bit better. So this part's pretty clutch too. Like when you put the 3M tape down, you want it to go over the edge and cover the top and the side. So then, like taking something that you can pry it to make it fold over and stick like that. The reason I say it's clutch is the piece of rubber itself has a flap that's going to go over that corner. Once you have the tape in place, peel back. It's really cold here today. I want it to stick really good. That ain't coming back up. It's there for good. Only thing left to do is put some Armor All on it and clean your messes. That's stuck there forever. It ain't going nowhere.